In the today's video, we will show you more of animation in PowerPoint. As you can see, we have created Taj Mahal Agra animation in PowerPoint. In this way, you can also create same animation in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Click on Insert, click on Picture, select Taj Mahal picture from here, insert it, adjust the size of the picture, click on Crop, adjust the picture in this way, click on Insert, click on Shapes, select Rectangle and drag it to the half of the side. Select the color with the help of eyedropper and shape outline, no outline. Click on Insert, select text box and drag it. Write PPT here and choose the font and size also. With the help of Ctrl Shift, drag it and write Taj here. Again drag it, decrease the size to adjust the font, and here we will write Mahal. Duplicate the slide, select that text box as well as the rectangle, click on Format, Merge Shape, select Subtract. Right click, go to Format Shape, select Shadow from here. I am selecting outer shadow and increasing blur size and decreasing the transparency. After that, click on second slide and duplicate the slide. Click the rectangle and place it outside the slide. Go to Insert, select Shape, select Round from here. Click on Fill Shape, select white color and click on Outline, no outline. Place it. With the help of Ctrl Shift, duplicate it. Again duplicate it. I am inserting icons from the PowerPoint. You can also directly insert picture if you want. Select first round and icon. From align center and align middle. Click on group, select group. Do it for other two shapes also. Select all three, Ctrl C for copy it, click on second slide and paste it. Drag it to the outside the slide and adjust in this way so that it will give beautiful effect to our presentation. Click on third slide, click on Format and select Crop from here and adjust the picture again. Duplicate the third slide and select all the images and rectangles from here and delete it. Go to Format, click on Crop and from Crop to Shape, select Round here and aspect ratio choose 1:1. Adjust the Taj Mahal at the center and click on Outside. Place it like this. Go to Insert, click on Text Box and drag a text box here. Here we will write Taj Mahal in Agra. Select it, choose the font and increase the size of it. From the color, choose eyedropper and give the color of Taj Mahal. Right click, go to Format Background and increase the transparency so that it will look beautiful and add shadow to it. Again click on Insert, select text box, add some information about Taj Mahal here. Increase size and choose color with the help of eyedropper. Click on Transition and select Push Transition for fourth slide and duration 3 seconds. Click on third slide, select More of Animation for this and duration 3 seconds. Go to second slide and click on Slideshow. So see friends, our slide looking very beautiful as we added more of animation as well as a push animation to our presentation. If you think this video is helpful to you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.